Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How To Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to add movies or series to the watch list in Crackle. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. I have also created a tutorial regarding that, so worry not. Now let's simply look at how to add any series or movie to the watch list. Let's simply say I want to add this movie right here to the watch list, so I'm simply gonna click on it. Once you guys do that, a new page relating to that movie or series will open up. Do note that you can simply watch it from right here by clicking on this watch now button, but for now we simply want to add it to the watch list. Right next to it you can see a button like this that says add to watch list. Click on it. And that is it guys, that's how we add any movie or series to the watch list. The process is quite easy. I'm gonna do it for this series right here as well. I'm simply gonna click on more info and right here once again add to watch list. Well guys, that is it. That's how we add any series or movie to the watch list. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.